Batu Sapi is a federal constituency in Sandakan Division, Sabah, Malaysia, that has been represented in the Dewan Rakyat since 2004. The federal constituency was created in the 2003 redistribution and is mandated to return a single member to the Dewan Rakyat under the first-past-the-post voting system. This constituency is referred to as Batu Sapi, because within that area at the mouth of the Sandakan shore located about 12 kilometres from the city centre stands a stone structure by the sea with a shape that resembles a cow. According to local community legend, the original village where the cow stone stands was a fishing village. It has now become a heritage and a landmark of Sandakan. It is said that one day a large crocodile swam towards the village at dusk when the villagers were inside their homes. It happened at that time a bull saw the arrival of the crocodile and jumped into the sea to fight against it. Villagers then came out in droves to witness the fight between the two animals. However, according to the legend, when the fight was fiercely taking place, a bolt of lightning struck, striking the battling animals, who were instantly turned into stones. If you observe closely the surrounding water at the base of the cow-shaped structure, you will also see a crocodile-shaped stone structure. Since the 1960s, this stone shaped like a cow had made its rounds around the globe as nature's icon of Sandakan during the popular era of postal postcards.